Our next speaker is Dr. Santosh Pratinidhi. He is an ENT practitioner. Please welcome on stage Dr. Santosh Pratinidhi. Like our eyes and other sense organs, the ears and nose also hold importance. Dr. Santosh Pratinidhi is going to talk about ENT care, the importance and preventive measures to be taken. I would like to inform all of you that we are expecting Srimati Rita Bahuganath, the Cabinet Minister in the government of Uttar Pradesh, to join us very soon, and we'll welcome her when she arrives. In the interim, I would request Dr. Pratinidhi to talk to us about ENT care. And while we are very sensitive about our eyes and whether they function properly, what do we need to do so that our ears and nose are also on our priority, and what could be the ailments that could happen in these two?
Thank you, madam. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am privileged to be here and thankful to Primetime Research Private Limited, who has given me an opportunity to talk in this conference. I am Dr. Pratinidhi. I have started my ENT practice and I have established my Pratinidhi ENT clinic in 2009 in Cuttack, Odisha. When I started my ENT practice, it was a very nascent stage, I can say. There was no such developments, and in Odisha at that time, in 2009, I am talking. At that time, people are not exposed with so many advanced technology that has been introduced at that time in faculty of ENT. When I started to conduct various specialized clinics like vertigo clinic, deafness clinic, voice clinic, and ear and nose throat cancer screening clinics. And my clinic is equipped with all sophisticated instruments to deal with and doing advanced micro ear surgery, as well as functional endoscopic sinus surgery and laryngeal micro surgeries. As you know, in ENT, what happens? Many people they think that ear, nose, throat is a just common cold and like ear discharge they feel. But I'm telling you, this ear, nose, throat infection and their complication sometimes is very disastrous and lead to high mortality and morbidity in the society. If somebody is not taking care of proper ENT care, it may leads to broad spectrum complications, like starting from you can say facial paralysis, and you can say permanent hearing loss, imbalance, and like vertigo, ringing in ears, tinnitus, and it may leads to like continuous facial pain and non-cynogenic or cynogenic headaches, which prolongs for whole of the life, and you can say loss of smell and epistaxis or bleeding from nose. And if throat infection becomes ignored, then that might lead to like hoarseness of voice. It may lead to like voice paralysis, difficulty in breathing, difficulty in swallowings, and tonsil problems. May be sometimes because of a lot of chewing, tobaccos, and smokings. Nowadays, the incidence has been raised of oral and throat cancers, and all we are dealing in our clinic right now. And to lessen the disease burden of the society, we have taken a lot of preventive measures in our area. Like I'm constantly observing like hearing screening camps where I dispense hearing aid as well as do a counseling, proper counseling to the patients. We do like newborn hearing campaigning with counseling with parents so that they can be educated and they can go for hearing aid, cochlear implant, brainstem implant. These are new modalities that has been come up. So we are continuously educating our patients and their parents. We have started anti-tobacco campaigns in our area. We put always like many times we put quit smoke posters on public domains to make public aware of the smoking effect of the smoking. And we also do like health checkups in primary schools to exclude all the ENT problems. And also sometimes I establish like self-help group among patients to like chat with themselves, and so can then they will mentally, they will be psychologically less depressed. And also, we run parallel speech and rehabilitation programs for congenital hearing problems people, deafness peoples. And at the end, I will tell you, medicine can cure the disease, but only doctors can cure the patients. Thank you.
In the category Healthcare Practitioner ENT of the year 2019 in Cuttack, the winner is Dr. Santosh Pratinidhi. Please put your hands together for Dr. Santosh Pratinidhi.
I am Dr. Santosh Pratinidhi. I am an ENT practicing ENT surgeon in Cuttack, Odisha. And I came here and I am thankful to Global Prime Media for giving me an opportunity to
So how do you feel receiving this award today?
Very nice. It's a very nice experience to be with you and with all of eminent people of India. Thank you so much.
Success mantra?
Success mantra is like patient's care is my success mantra. I always believe in care of my patients, and I always believe that medical service is a service oriented industry. It cannot be like if we are taking some money or whatever maybe because of patients, and we should deliver our proper treatment and care, and proper communication should be there with our patients so that they will be they will be helpful with that.
So experience with prime time?
Sorry,
Experience कैसा रहा आपका prime time के साथ?
is very nice experience. I am really grateful. Thank you so much for giving me nice opportunity.